Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira on this application. I'm going to show you simply by walking, just walking. That's all you need to do. You're just walking on the way. You can even put your phone on your pocket and you'll be walking and you'll be earning money on this particular application I am going to show you in this video. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to learn how you can actually generate money with your smartphone, 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira daily for free with zero investment, just by working. But before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel. So if an online hustler or you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my money making updates on daily basis is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day on your smartphone with money making updates. Then at the end of this video, if you're interested in joining this update, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section, so you will join our WhatsApp group in the from the comment section. From there you will get the registration link of this application. You can join and then start making money for yourself just by working, leaving your data on. Okay, now in this video I'm going to be showing you everything. Let's proceed. Okay guys, this is the name of the application. This application has been existing for over 3 years now, if I am not mistaken, and a lot of you watching this video might have heard about this application. And if you don't know how to use it, you'll be hearing about it but you don't know how to use it. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use it and make money. The name of this platform is Sweatcoin. You can actually make money while you are working. As you can see my own dashboard here, and you can set a goal. You don't only make money on this platform when you are working. There are a lot of other tasks which you can actually perform and then earn money on this platform just for free. Okay, so now when you are working, you come to this place. You can see total steps. So your step is counting. When you are signing up, take a look at your screen. When you click on the link in our WhatsApp group, take a look at your screen. You click on accept invitation. You click on accept invite. So when you click on accept invite, it's going to take you to where you're actually going to download the app. Then when you download the app, you now sign up with your Gmail address, and then you can now start working and then you start making money. You can also set a routine. As you can see, they have Friday, they have Saturday, they have Monday, they have a routine you can actually set here to make money online with your smartphone. Then in this video, I want this video to be very short. I'm not going to be showing you how to withdraw. The reason is because how to withdraw is another video on its own, because it's going to take me like 7 to 5 minutes to record a video on how to withdraw. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss the video on how to withdraw. If I should start showing you guys how to withdraw in this video is going to be 20 minutes long, and I don't want this video to be long. I want this video to be short as possible. This is just explanation on how you can earn on the platform. Then the next video that is coming is how to place your withdrawal. Okay, and then make sure you join our WhatsApp group, because when you join our WhatsApp group, there you will also get access to the video on how to place your withdrawal from this platform. It should be in case YouTube did not notify you, you will get the video on our WhatsApp group. Okay, and please, if you are already in my WhatsApp group before, do not join the WhatsApp group again. Okay, because if you are joining, it means you are occupying space for new members. Please do not join. If I am a group 1, remain there. If I am a group 2, remain there, because whatever I post in group 1 is still the same thing I post in group 2. So if you are in any of my group before, please don't join again. Okay, for those who are watching this video, for those who are hearing my voice for the first time and they are interested in joining this platform, you're interested in making money, so the WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. You use it to join so that we will be notified with the video on how to place your withdrawal. Okay, now I've already explained that it is when you are working you'll be making money on this platform. As long as you are moving, your full step is counting, you are earning. As you can see here, you are earning. Then another way you can actually earn money on this platform is by doing some tasks. You can see they have earn option here. When you click on it, you can see this option here. When you earn here, now you are going to earn 5 sweat coin. You are earning in coin, and those coins you are earning can be converted to USDT. Please take note, they can be converted to USDT. I will briefly explain on that, but the main video will be out either tomorrow or next tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you are following and make sure you are in a WhatsApp group, so you can see it. You read instruction, given. You can see another one. So if you perform this task now, you are going to be given you are going to be given 5 sweat coin. You perform this one, the same thing, see another one here, see another one, you scroll down. So you can actually earn a lot of money on this platform. And then also have your daily claiming reward. When you claim this one now, advertisement is going to display. This application is also monetized by Google AdMob, which means they also generate money when you are using the app and you are participating in the ad click on ad view. They also generate money for themselves, and they also use that money to also pay you. So that is it, guys. So this application is actually monetized. That's it. So you can see it. You can see there are different ways you can earn, and then you can also invite your friends. Please take note, it is not compulsory, but if you want everyone around you to be making money just like you, like if I had kept this update to myself, there will be no way it's going to reach every one of you, each and every one of you here on YouTube, or if I'm a WhatsApp group. But I love it when I share update, you also share it with friends. Like I said, it is not compulsory. This is totally free. If you want to share, you can share. So to get your referral link, you can click on social. So when you click on social, click on friends. You can also participate in challenge. A lot of things you can do on this platform to make money. There are a lot of things you can actually do on this platform to make money. A lot of money. This thing I'm even saying 5,000, 2,000 naira daily is just the cheapest amount, or the cheap amount you can actually make if you are not taking it very, very serious. All you need to do is to just leave your data on. As you are working, your money is generating for you. You can set the daily limit you want to reach. Okay, so you click on friends. When you click on friends, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can see this place here to copy your link. When you copy your link, you use it to invite. So any friends that sign up with your link, you get 20 sweat coin. Okay, so that is just it. And if you're able to invite like 50 friends, that should be $10. Okay, so that should be $10. Not encouraging, but it's still something. Okay, so you come to this place again. You can see they have their challenge option here, where you can also participate in challenge. You can join now. You can also win. You can see team steps over 74 million steps. You can also see you can join challenge. You can also still join clubs if you want. Not necessary. So all these things is not necessary. So the most important thing is by you working. You can see my daily goal is 3,300 steps. You can actually adjust it if you want. Now to access your wallet, you can see this option here. When you click on it, you can see the balance you are having. So now it is on this place you have to connect your Sweatcoin wallet with your Sweatcoin account. Then the withdrawal process begins. You can now convert the Sweatcoin, the coins you are getting, to USDT. Like I said, I'm going to make a separate video on that because I don't want this video to be long. I want this video to be short. This video is almost 8 minutes, and I don't want this video to be up to 10 minutes long, so that you'll be able to finish watching this video. So make sure you stay active, you subscribe to the channel, and you join a WhatsApp group so that you will be notified when I upload the next video on how to withdraw. I've already explained to you guys how you earn. You earn money just by working. As you are working, your step will be counting. As you are working, your step will be counting. You'll be earning money. You can see I have already my total step for today. You can see it here, guys. You can see it as over 2,169 steps. You see your footsteps is counting for you, and you are making money. So once I have 3,300, it will stop counting. So that's it. Then I can still set it up again. It will start counting. You can decide to work million times if you like. So as long as you are moving around with your phone is earning money. So you can do the task. When you click on each of the tasks, you will read. You can see this one here. They say visit website. You will get 5 coins. So that's it. If you are interested in, not like if you're interested, like if you want to earn through the task, you can earn through the task. Okay, but the main thing here is the working. So these are extra ways you can also earn money. You can also click on reward session to see if you have something there to get. So you can see they still have the challenges here. So that is the end of this video, guys. If you have any other question, please comment below, and don't forget I said our group link is in the comment section. You can join so that you can get access to the link of this platform and start making money for yourself for free with your smartphone. Thank you. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss.